Hi viewers, my name is Uncle P and you're on to ECFA Edu Blog. In today's video, we'll be looking at electrolysis. But before we start the video, don't forget to share, like, and then if you have any question, you go to the comment section. And to have a first-hand of our subsequent lectures, hit on the subscription button to receive notification and the subsequent bulletin. Okay, we're going to start immediately without wasting time. These are the course outline of what we're going to be looking at. Electrolysis. First look at the definition of electrolysis and then electrolytic terminologies. That is electrolytic technologies. We're going to look at the electrolytes, examples of electrolytes, non-electrolytes, strong electrolytes, weak electrolytes with examples. And then we also look at conductors, non-conductor, differences between a conductor and the electrolytes. And then we'll look at the electrolytic mechanism of electrolysis, how it works, reactions in the electrolysis, that's under electrolytic mechanism. And then we'll look at electrolytic cell. And then thereabout, we conclude this part 1 video on electrolysis by discussing preferential discharge of ions. Follow the link below this video. You will see our link on past question and answer, both JAMB past question and answer, SSCE, NECO past question and answer, post-UME, UNN, FUTU, FUNAI, all these past question and answer, and then exercises. Okay, so we start with electrolysis definition. Okay, electrolysis is defined as a chemical breakdown or decomposition of a compound brought by passage of a direct current either in solution or fuse or molten states of such compound. That is electrolysis. If you look at some important silent point in this definition, you will see that electrolysis has to be a chemical breakdown, chemical decomposition. That's what examiner would like to see of a compound, which is brought by passage of direct currents. What it means is that electrolysis is not a spontaneous process. It is a non-spontaneous process, being that the reaction cannot proceed if direct current is not supplied, either in solution, fuse, or molten states of such compound. That is electrolysis. So there are some compounds that can allow currents to flow through them, and then in that process, such compound will tend to decompose. So in fact, in a layman's understanding, electrolysis has to do with using electricity to decompose a compound. In a nutshell, that is electrolysis definition. Okay, without wasting time, in my second objective, or lesson objective, I would like us to discuss some of electrolytic terms that is more associated with electrolysis, some electrolytic terminologies.